Have you ever wondered what happens when the water you use for bathing, laundry, and washing goes down the drain? We cannot ignore the list of harmful chemicals in personal care products, abbreviated as PCPs, used in our toiletries and detergents. The endocrine disrupting chemicals, abbreviated as EDCs, present in these products can seriously affect humans and aquatic life if the water is not treated correctly. Hey there, it's Apurva, and you are all welcome to my new video. We'll delve into several interesting topics related to environmental issues, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel for further updates. I'll post videos regularly on Mondays and Fridays at noon Indian Standard Time. What are endocrine disrupting chemicals? Endocrine disrupting chemicals, EDCs, are substances either occurring naturally or created by humans that have the potential to imitate, obstruct, or disturb the functions of hormones within the body's endocrine system. These chemicals are linked to a diverse range of health concerns. The endocrine glands, dispersed throughout the body, generate hormones that serve as messengers once released into the bloodstream. Hormones are essential for maintaining a well-functioning endocrine system, which governs numerous biological processes such as regular growth, fertility, and reproduction. Even minute alterations in hormone levels can lead to significant developmental and physiological impacts. Does it feel too technical? Okay, so let's break it down. Imagine your body is like a big machine. One part of this machine is called the endocrine system. It's like a messaging system that uses hormones as messengers. These hormones are like tiny instruction givers that tell your body what to do. They help with important stuff like growth, reproduction, and staying healthy. Sometimes there are endocrine disrupting chemicals that can mess with this messaging system. They can pretend to be hormones or block natural hormones from doing their job. This can cause a lot of problems in the body. Think of your body like a well-organized orchestra, with each musician playing their part perfectly to create beautiful music. Imagine if someone sneaks in and starts playing the wrong notes or stops others from playing their instruments correctly. It would make the whole orchestra sound messy and out of tune. Well, that's similar to what happens in your body when endocrine disrupting chemicals, EDCs, are around. Your body's hormones are like musicians playing their parts to keep everything running smoothly. But when EDCs come in, they can mess up the harmony by either pretending to be hormones or stopping the real ones from doing their job. This disruption can lead to health problems like the orchestra sounding bad when the music isn't played right. So, keeping these harmful chemicals away is essential to maintain the body's harmony and health. How do endocrine disrupting chemicals enter the environment? Sure thing, let's simplify it. Imagine the water from your home, like the stuff from sinks and showers, but not from the toilet, has been looked at closely. Scientists found 191 different chemicals in this water. These chemicals mostly come from everyday products like laundry detergent, soap, and toothpaste. Some of these chemicals, like nonylphenol phenol, which is in cleaning products, can mess with the hormones and cause problems with making babies. Then there are over 14 different smells and flavors like menthol or eucalyptol added to things like soap and toothpaste. Some of this can cause allergies or even cancer. There are also other chemicals in there like stuff used to keep food fresh or make things like soap bubbly. These chemicals can stick around for a long time and hurt animals living in the water. Lastly, there are some leftover medicines, things used to stop fires, and even nicotine from cigarettes in this water. This can also cause problems. So the water from our homes contains a bunch of chemicals different from the chemicals we use every day, and some of them can be bad for us or the environment. Effects of EDCs. Endocrine disrupting compounds can cause trouble for people and animals by messing with their hormone systems. Some scientists think that these chemicals can make humans and animals sick, while others aren't sure. In humans, exposure to EDCs can lead to severe problems like having trouble getting pregnant, congenital disabilities, and even cancers like thyroid and testicular cancer. They can also affect our body's growth and development, causing issues like ovaries and sperm production. For animals living in water like fish, EDCs can be a big problem too. These chemicals can make it harder for them to have babies, cause them to get sick more often, and even give them cancer. Some substances, like the ones that act like the hormone estrogen, can mess up their reproduction by making it harder for males and females to mate successfully. Also, chemicals like organochlorines can affect the way animals' bodies work, making male animals act more like females. So, whether it's humans or animals, these chemicals can cause serious health issues by messing with their hormone systems and affecting their ability to reproduce and stay healthy. Preventive measures. First, ban chemicals of emerging concern with high health risks. This means stopping the use of new or poorly understood chemicals that are believed to be harmful to health. By banning these chemicals, we prevent them from being released into the environment and causing harm. Second, develop improved wastewater treatment technologies. This involves creating better ways to clean up wastewater before it's released into the environment. Improved treatment technologies can remove more harmful chemicals, including EDCs, from the water before they reach rivers, lakes, or oceans. Third, establish screening protocol and test laboratories for continuous monitoring of EDCs. This means setting up procedures and specialized labs to check for EDCs in water sources regularly. By continuously monitoring these chemicals, we can catch any potential problems early and take action to prevent harm. Fourth, systemic management approach for screening, detecting, and removing EDCs. This involves having a structured plan for identifying, detecting, and getting rid of EDCs in the environment. It assures that all process steps are coordinated and effectively reduce EDC pollution. Fifth, develop models to track the fate and decomposition rate of micropollutants. This means creating computer models or systems that can predict where EDCs will go in the environment and how quickly they will break down over time. Understanding these pollutants' fate helps develop better strategies for managing and reducing their impact. Sixth, concerted efforts for pollution control and water safety programs. This involves working with different organizations, governments, and communities to control and ensure water safety. By coordinating efforts, we can address EDC pollution more effectively and protect water resources. 7. Strong political will for formulating, legislating, and enforcing environmental laws. This means having governments and policymakers committed to creating and enforcing laws protecting the environment from EDC pollution. Strong laws and enforcement are crucial for holding polluters accountable and preventing further harm. 8. Public awareness campaigns about health risks associated with emerging chemicals. This involves educating the public about the potential dangers of EDCs and other emerging chemicals. By raising awareness, people can make more informed choices about their products and support policies that protect the environment and public health. Conclusion. Addressing the issue of EDC pollution requires a multifaceted approach that involves scientific innovation, policy reform, and public engagement. By banning harmful chemicals, improving wastewater treatment technologies, and establishing rigorous monitoring systems, we can mitigate the risks posed by EDCs to both human health and the environment. However, these efforts must be supported by strong political will and collective action at all levels of society. Together, we can work towards a cleaner and safer future for ourselves and future generations. Let us join hands to protect our environmental resources and ensure the well-being of both humans and wildlife. Ensure you like, subscribe to, and share this video with the maximum number of people to spread the message. Thanks for watching.